So here's how you can empty the photo trash on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, whenever you delete photos from your gallery, you can open up an image, tap the trash, and it will be deleted. But of course, it's not gone forever because it's still part of the recently deleted folder. This can be found if you switch from the regular library view at the bottom to the collections. And you should see so many different things like memories and albums and map or whatever. So try to find the recently deleted folder there. But the surest way to do it is by going to the utilities menu, and you can expand that, and a recently deleted folder should be right away visible. So it might be even logged with Face ID, so perhaps scan your face to get inside. But once you're in here, you have the ability to either tap on individual images or videos and just delete those fully, or you can select them or tap on the select button, then tap on the three dots for more options and just click on delete all. So you don't have to wait the 30 days for the photos to be permanently deleted. As you can see, it will be gone forever just by clicking the button, and that's how it works. So yeah, some people like the trash folder within photos, some people do not, but that's how it works. If anything changes, I'll definitely update you, so stay tuned so you don't miss it. You can subscribe below, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.